Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create the restore job for H3C VM in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Here we have a backup of H3C VM, and we are going to restore the VM from this backup. Go to Restore. Just select the recovery point. Select the target host, and you can simply configure the new VM here. Select Strategies or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now it's finished. Let's check the new VM H3C. It has been restored to this host. It's working. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.